Damn, not bad. Not bad, not bad. Dispatcher,
Legend is coming.
do you know whose truck that is?
Yeah, that's freaking legend.
Yeah, that's a legend, that's for sure. That's Pamela Anderson. Well, a little welding action today. My buddy came in to get a welding job done. This thick floor broke down right there. Let me show you my truck, my ex-truck that used to be mine. Unfortunately, I sold it because I had to invest in the shop, or car truck repair. But yeah, this is it, guys. The twin stick. Let me just put on the bumper real quick. And we have air racks. There's a Royal quad back system. It's the best air ride that we have in the market right now. For car carriers, this is top. But yeah, I love this truck. This is a beast. Big bunk, chopped sleeper to match the cab. You don't have that ugly ass bubble top. You hold it good. Not joking either. But yeah. The 9 units. He has a Odyssey on the back. But yeah, guys, if you guys need any work done in Sacramento area, car haulers or anything else, just hit me up. NorCal Custom Trucks on Instagram, and you'll find me. I'll put it down in the description, you can see it. Let me show you the glider real quick. The one we're working the one that we're working on. This is it basically. We're gonna do the tail end, we're gonna belt weld a piece, we're gonna put a fifth wheel, drop fenders. We're gonna put bubble tops, flat tops, move the APU back, I already said that. Put an air right, single back. You can build a flat top with all pipes, come on. You know what I mean? But yeah, guys, subscribe to the channel, put a like on this video, watch the other videos, and stay tuned for the next episode, I guess. And yeah, hit me up on Instagram too. If you need anything, leave a comment here too. And we'll see you in a little bit. How's it going? Pretty okay? How's it going?
It's going по чуть-чуть.
It's going по чуть-чуть? Yeah, it's going по чуть-чуть. That means slowly but surely. The goal for today is to put this cap onto the sleeper and that cap onto the sleeper. You would say, why don't you just swap sleepers? Well, I offered that to the customers, but as you can imagine, he will have to repaint the whole thing all over again, and it's gonna be a lot of money. By the way, we got a Royal single back kit for this truck. The whole kit, and some body drop brackets, but that's gonna go on a different truck. Aro is good that they supply everything. All the U-bolts, all the hardware, all the solenoids, everything. So gotta go get it installed. That's it. And yeah, and this cap will go on top of this. Yep. This is just a quick fix. We'll have to cap the end on the frame. A lot of stuff to do. Huh? Yes, sir. That's a true stand-up sleeper. That's a 2WS cat, glider kit feet. Pretty sick. TDI turbo, manifold, Duralite intercooler. Just the best you can get for a cat or any engine, I would say. Gonna hold more boost. This truck has 600,000 miles and it's pretty much spotless. It's very dry. There's no oil leak. There's nothing. It's really good, you know. There we go. What's happening with this guy? What happened? What did you do? I think he broke something. That's it? No more? That's a Volvo driver for you guys. That's how they act. Really stupid. But yeah. A lot of work ahead of us, guys. A lot of work. We gotta finish this up. Nah. Nah. That's weak. That's weak, man. I don't know what it's trying to do. Alright. This guy's obnoxious. But yeah, man. Guys, do me a favor, subscribe to the channel. That used to be my truck. Dad would build this truck. Guys from Canada. You can see this on my Instagram. Stop dispatch.
Why I'm training my arms?
Show me your arms. Is that you? No?
Not yet.
Not yet. A few more years, it'll be you.
What's up, my little younger boys and girls? Today I'm gonna show you how you have to do the punch in.
Okay. Show us how you do it.
Here you have your time when you come in, and then where you're gonna leave. And
Sure.
what I have to do, sell this thing and just leave me. No, I'm kidding. And then,
That's it?
hey boy, take a
You're
look.
out. Good job.
15, 30.
Why are you blocking the road, Adrian? Huh? What?
Get the truck out.
No, he just got in.
What?
He just got in. For I don't know. Well, let's hook up the trailer and just drag it out.
Let's do it.
Okay, pull up. We'll pull up a chain and drag it out. Hey, how do you like that automatic?
It's great.
It's great.
Yeah, manual is for suckers.
Shots fired, shots fired. Okay. Are you gonna sit here in the middle of the road or what?
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah? Till this guy gets out?
I can park it back.
Yeah, go on back. Or just go right here. Park on the corner. Pull up and back in, or just go around the circle. Alright. It's Mr. Adrian with his 80 footer and automatic X15. He's parking over there, yeah. Yes, sir. What happened?
Nothing else.
Why is this trailer halfway in the shop?
Because it's halfway out of shop.
Why?
Because we fixed it halfway.
What happened here? Mishap?
Look at the patches.
The patches? They're just quality job. Who did it?
The guy who did it.
Who did that?
The guy who did the
Damn,
damage to it.
that's wild. Are you ready to lift the roof? Maybe? Okay, let's see if the slipper roof move. What the hell? Support here. The wiring needs to go to this side. But yeah, this is just temporary. Hey, don't do that. Go home. But yeah, that's a chop top, guys. That's that chop top life. People pay money for that shit. Back on. So I bought this Holland fifth wheel today and we're gonna put it on. It has a slider. I think it's a 36 or 24. I don't know. Oh, whatever. Who cares? So I was kind of thinking what to do with it, but basically I'm gonna spend some extra time. I'm gonna cut it up. I'm gonna cut these bolts, the cross member bolts, and I'm gonna line them up right up here. I'm gonna cut these two off, and I'm gonna run grade 10 bolts all around the fifth wheel. I'm gonna put 10 on each side, and that'll be it. That's a good fifth wheel. Paid $900 for it, so hopefully the customer will be happy. The truck is coming along together pretty good, but like I said, it takes a long time to build, to start something and finish it. So we'll keep working on it.